Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessing, your blessing. Simple things, them are your blessing. You better notice your blessings. We've got life, so let's live. You make the time for chase the paper. When last you say your prayer. We've got life, so let's live. And while you're worshiping your treasure, remember nothing lasts forever.
It's December the 16th. Yeah, Sunday, December the 16th. Just came back from meeting not too long ago. And yeah, home, doing nothing, still sick. Oh, I came on here to show something. You guys know I love me some iCOOL. I went to the shop just a while ago and they have a new flavor. This is Palm Passion, so pomegranate passion. The June plum juice was mad good. It was not filled up with ginger like I thought it was gonna be. That was way easier to handle than ginger beer. So I'm gonna try this and see what it tastes like. I'm excited. I love me iCOOL. Passion fruit and melon berry are my favorites. Cheers.
When you don't get too much on this,
It's okay. For some reason, it tastes really, really sweet. Could be better, but yeah. Can't really taste the passion fruit either, but my hair needs to comb. I just feel like how I look. Today they're having a surprise, like, I don't want to say bachelor party or something, but they're having something for my dad at about 7 o'clock tonight. He has no idea, so we're gonna go there tonight, so I'll have that to vlog, and then that's about it. I do want to go up the road to go check Kiana and Kamari for a little bit, and then come back home and get ready and go to that, and then I think that's gonna be it. I seen Uncle John, I seen Laura today. I think that's about in terms of family. I've seen all my meeting friends and stuff. I just didn't want to vlog because it's like the first day. It's like, hey, oh my god, hi, how are you, Zoe? Did I see you? You know, tell me how fat Baguette and Ray, and yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm getting a treat. I was looking at the fridge yesterday. I'm a seat. No, this man in the seat. Yeah, this man in the seat. I'm gonna ask that if we can't have them and him say yeah. So I'm gonna start with the smaller one. Oh, my reach in here. Yeah, start off with the small one. I'm gonna eat this. Okay, so yeah, secret boss now, right? So daddy are married. The man is gonna tell me that I'm here to work till the 23rd. But I'm not on vacation this trip. Is he mad? Does he know how stressful this trip was for me to even make it here? Listen. especially after that flight. I am on vacation, okay?
Mango.
Is it from Saint? Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You want some? Mm. Oh, see too. See too. Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. God. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I miss my baby. Sorry, I miss you. But next week soon come. Mm-hmm. Sunday. So Sunday dinner I make peas the pan. I'm not cooking. I'm on a cooking break for 2 whole weeks. I don't have to cook. Cause you guys know if I was home Sunday time, Pat would be on. Actually, what time is it? We'll be not probably done cook already. But here, my home here, Pat go pan stove about 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. We eat about 10 o'clock at night when we are tired and ready to sleep.
So we can put on a few pounds.
So we eat. We end up in a plate or bowl or whatever it is that we're eating. Due to how we're tired. It's so rare that you get like a good tasting mango like in foreign. Like if you buy 6, maybe like 1 out of the 6 will taste like really good. If you're lucky to get 1 out of the 6 that is really good. Sometimes all 6 or however many you buy just tastes not the greatest, but everything's better in Jamaica. So Daddy, all you have to do is put these on and then you're done? Huh? Raji's are. And for those of you who don't know, my dad is a welder. Not a MIG or TIG. Just a regular electrical weld. Not a regular electrical welder, but... Really? Oh, he can do them all. Daddy's been welding now for like what? Over 30 years?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. So if you don't want burglar bars, if you no veranda need for grill up, if you no bathroom, business, you don't want to set up one barrier between you and your spouse, you and your kids.
You want to be like truck body?
Talk truth.
You want to be like tank?
A what?
Tank, like water tank.
Oh, a water tank. Oh, you know what I seen I seen nice ones. Where were we yesterday? Like the little garbage bins, you know, to put your garbage in and stuff. Yeah. You know, he does work at like hospitals and schools and stuff like that. Yeah, this is the welder man. So when I record video and wanna hear this noise, that noise, I wanna hear banging and stuff like that, is him working outside. I can't hear nothing at daytime because of this. For some reason, I can't leave the yard today because he want me to see him do this. I don't know how I take him this time. I don't know how I take him this time. Normally, he tell me to go about my business and he don't want me over here. So I don't know what is his problem this time. I don't know. I think it's because he's getting married. I don't know, but I don't know what his problem is. So weird. I didn't belch, I stretched. It was like, I didn't belch. I wouldn't be so disrespectful, Daddy, to burp like that. Is that why you're looking at me like that? I didn't belch. I was stretching. I was so uncomfortable. And I literally sat right underneath the AC. Right underneath. Lord God.
Which part is always then I saw corner and like if they're all to you that
Every time I heard it chip back in, I was like, oh God, I'm gonna die.
Again.
I just zipped up my jacket because I'm like, I can't. Oh.
but they probably need to turn it off when you get cold.
They're not gonna turn it off like on a Sunday. Like Thursday night.
No man, when it cool down just have the fan on.
Guys, I didn't even know we had one of these. Does anybody know what this is? Comment down below and let me know if you guys know what this is. It's very popular for this time of the year, yeah? And they have it. So, Daddy, the white one looks like what? Like it's literally white? Like clear?
Green.
It's green.
When you dry it, it's clear.
There's a white one. Like it comes out white after you do whatever it is that you do to it. Tastes so good. We had it one time. Well, I had it one time, and I've always asked about it after that, but my dad just can't find it anymore. But comment down below and let me know if you guys know what this is. Ooh! You know, I've leap. You guys, Uncle John, say hi to my friends.
All right now.
Say hi to her? Right.
All right, you know what?
Yeah, let me. A matrimonial trek. His daughter is here, so we invited her to come out here. Alright, I'm come to. This is sending off back.
Oh, God.
And because of that, Delroy, the trek what Delroy is on, we never want him just go so. Alright? We've been contemplating Delhi. Delhi, me here say which night you shower your wife. But we not beard you, shower you.
A flower, we should have flower, you know.
We not powder you. But we say we can't send you off so. We don't want little talk to. Alright?
Alright.
So if we there so no, yeah, we can come.
So that means that's my plan.
And this is a group of three, yeah? Can tell you how this go. Say we've been married for such years. We can't talk about anybody else. But these men have a me and Leggy have 100 years.
Come back.
For real.
Leggy 50? Oh. 48. When me there 42. So 100 years. Alright? I will mention.
Oh, you want to say man can do maths?
I have no comments.
Right.
So we got 100 years. What are the century now? We want to tell you about what you're going into. All the while they have secret. We don't know secret. Let them come here too. I tell you about them 50 days. So I can hear say.
Yes.
Alright?
Straight from your ass's mouth.
Then right? You walk into tribulation. That's what the Bible says. Tribulation. That tribulation, Delhi. And you have another great tribulation. But the Bible says once you're married, you have tribulation. You're divided. But you have it, One time you used to concentrate, say, you and Joe about things. But no, but Max, it's not so. You divide it, you have to do your wife part. I tell Joe about Joe, I listen to you. You have to do your wife part of it, and you have to do the Joe part of it. For Joe, I say, please your wife. As a matter of fact, he said, listen to them too. All right?
Happy wife, happy life.
Aye. Well, again. You all know the road you're traveling, or you're about to travel on, is one of tribulation in the flesh. You're going to need courage. You're going to need compromise.
Communication.
Communication is vital. And it come to you need more than one phone, yeah? You need more than one.
Oh my gosh.
More than one. And you might have to call him neighbor too. But me can tell you personally, sometimes I try to call him, I have to call him, Miss Run's going to look over here to see him. You come over there, house phone ring, cell phone ring, everything. And no answer. But Delhi, you're on a good party. So don't face it with fear. Alright? Don't face it with any fear. Face it with courage. That your life change. Can I ask how old are you now?
53.
Alright. Big man, legit. Big man. You remember when I was the boy? No man, me come now in 1981, you know. 81, when we lived on a crossroad or so. And in a go shop and not a fire. We think I don't go shop 2 1 time. But Daddy, we proud of you.
Very proud.
We know it take a while. And Maki, you have won the battle. And you have won the war. Alright? There's no other battle for him, for another woman. So you have won the war, and the war is sacred. Delhi, you're on the right pathway. You're gonna need a lot out of you, but that won't enough to make you work. Alright? But you have to do your part. Your part is the most important. You know why? You have to take the lead. So in taking the lead, you have to go ahead. And if you check yourself and it's soft and you then take it good, I told you down there. You understand? So the pathway, you have to clear the pathway for you and your wife and families to come. So it's a big pathway. It's a big road.
That's a big
The road not stop here, so. For marriage calls to responsibility too in the congregation. So you see what we're talking about now? So you gonna have roles to play within the congregation because the scripture tell the men reaching out. Husband with one wife, husband having everything under control, reasonable. You remember the scripture? You can read it again and see how you in line with those responsibilities. But me not say everything. But I let you say something. I say something more. But I fall there we say something.
You see and listen.
He must say because him no married.
Okay, I did the same thing like that.
Oh, you know, so no. Then that means say no.
I'm not talk. I'm not have to talk. I'm not have to.
We can commend you, Delhi. We can commend you. I mean, I talk down other people. But what is in your heart, you have to just bring it out. For one thing, you look in the congregation and you see the need in the congregation. You see sister in the congregation, one husband. And you can't take two.
I cannot deal.
So you take one. You left it to the other man. You take care of it.
Yes, Grandpa, tell him.
In the process of time, there were times that you need little advice. You have men who you can talk with. Say, well, then, what you think? Ask them, say, what you think of this? What you think of that? Don't be afraid to ask maybe one of the elders, what do you think of this? What do you think of that? Because you alone can't carry the whole weight.
Definitely.
You need help. You need help. So seek the help whenever you see it necessary. But at the same time, I think you choose somebody who you and she can get on. And you know, say the one Mackie there, and will I look somebody to get somebody to make it.
It work out. Alright.
So Mackie, you won't stop talking with me. You continue to talk with me. And we hope everything will work. Right?
And that's we wish that and we pray about that. So Delhi, for the night.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
And well, sometimes you struggle to come and you're married, but we wish you can come with one night a week. We play the family. I believe you if we spend this little time here, we're mad. So we have to let off everything for the week, what the family mind and everything. To start another Monday morning. So we need this 2.5 hours. You see that thing? Sometimes.
It will never come.
No, sometimes, yes. But we can't tell him that when we get worse. We appreciate him. And him sometimes we get to laugh. We need a little laugh for 3 hours. Monday morning we can have fresh. We go to the spiritual activity in the morning. Then the evening we relax the brain. Fresh again next week.
So the wise man said, time for everything.
So I've been said that, you said that, you know. So,
I know.
If we can't find it, then we understand. So anyway, I'm doing it. So in the meantime,
because, like you say, she's always right.
Hey guys, first drink from a cup.
No rum.
Oh, you can't do a Jamaican and drink rum. Like what? But yeah, so as you guys saw, surprise, it never really worked out how they wanted it to work out. But yeah, them do them thing, them play them dominoes or whatever. I guess that's what guys want to do. So me just Bill and all vibes. My uncle, thank God he came. Thank God, because I would have been suffering.
None.
So yeah. I think that's gonna be it for the night. Honestly, I don't think anything is happening. I well want to go out. Like well, but I'm not getting a partner dry yet. I'm supposed to get it from Friday. So we shall see. But yeah, if anything else happens, may come back and make you know.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like